I text 911, it's an emergency. Charlotte night. At 2 o'clock, they stop selling liquor, baby. I don't need to be here, and the liquor ain't. I need you. There's another one waiting. Hang on. There's another one waiting for you. Hang on. There's another one waiting. Hang on. There's another one waiting for you. Hang on. There's another one waiting. Hang on. There's another one.
We can go to fight, cause I know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. Got your size, I subtract the 5. Then it don't throw no code. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen.
That's my kids upstairs. Welcome back to another vlog. You're gonna get the real, the raw. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all join the fam, because it's a good time over here. Come into my new journey, my new everything, guys. I'll explain later on, but welcome to my new life. Join the beauty game. Style your beauty. It's about styling your life, the way you want it. So that's the journey that we on. But I'm gonna eat this breakfast. We gonna head to the gym, get our workout in and get it out the way. I'm gonna plan out the rest of our Saturday. I'm not sure where this day is gonna take us, but I'm taking y'all on the ride with me. Y'all outside while I'm outside. So yeah, I'm gonna finish eat this, then I'll be back, and make sure y'all answer the phone when I call y'all back, okay? I don't want no drama. Answer the phone, cause I be having things I need to talk about. 911. When I text y'all 911, answer the phone, cause it's important. Y'all are my homegirls, and my friends that are around me know when I text 911, it's an emergency. So yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping, eat this food, and I'll be back when we get ready to head out for the gym. So guys, that workout wore me out. When I say wore me out, baby, wore me out. We at Walmart right now because my kids, my new magic bullet that I got for my smoothies, did something with a piece of it already. So I'm taking it back to get a new one so I can make me a post-workout smoothie when I get back to the house. So yeah, we're about to head into Walmart so we can get another one of these, and then we're gonna head to the car wash, and then after the car wash, back to the house so we can take a shower, because baby, I'm sweating from every angle. I'm just trying to make sure my windows is up. So yeah, your girl's sweating from every. Is my car off? Oh no, it's just off. All right, I'm sweating from every angle, so we about to head into Walmart. Let's go. I need a crossbody. I need a crossbody to wear. Oh my god, a piece of it done fell out. I got the box. I got the keys. I got the receipt. Excuse me. I like your shades. That was cute. Really? I'm gonna have to find them. Alright. So y'all, we headed into Walmart. Finally. I always be scrambling around when I get out the car. Let's go return this. Okay y'all, so we got the gift card. Now it's time to get another one of the machines. So this is the one I originally got, but should I get this one? I don't know. I don't think I need all of these extra pieces. I just really need this and this, which comes in here. Let me set y'all up here. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the one I originally had. Yeah, let's just get the one I originally had. So we can head out of here. We're gonna grab that. And I don't need to walk around. No, oh, y'all know it was something that I wanted. It was one of these protein thingies. It was one of these. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. They got some cute cups in here. I need to set y'all up. Like one of these. Do I need this though?
Or like when they said something like they might say, but they be like, oh, let me be honest, bro, you can't take it, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know.
You can bet that never got us if you got cash. I'll be the rubber man, you be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple and right.
I was like, let me turn this camera on because I got something new. As you can see in the title, your girl got a DJI Osmo, but I got a DJI Osmo, but I got a Osmo, I got a DJI. Yeah, your girl got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. All glory be to God. So yeah, I was like, hold on, before I even do anything, let me unbox it with the girls. That's what we got to do first and foremost. So y'all, I already took it out this little box, but I didn't take the other pieces out the other box. Do I got a tripod up here? Yes, I do. Okay, hold on. Because I got to set y'all up. We got to open this together. I've been in here watching YouTube, and I was like, okay, I got to go on a walk before 12. As long as I leave out the house before 12 today to go on this walk, that's what... Cause I gotta get it in. I gotta stay consistent with this gym and stuff. Like I'm not playing with myself. I'm not playing with you, girl. I'm not playing with you. So okay. So the DJI must be in here. Let's open this up. Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I've been eyeing this for like a minute. Like every day I just go in there checking the price. Like I was like, let me just check on the price, see if it came down. Let me just check and see if I can, you know, get me a little woody. But one thing I can tell y'all, if y'all came by the whole creator kit, that's still cool. Like I got mine from Costco's. If follow me on TikTok, because I posted a TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me over there. It's gonna be on the screen. So Costco have the combo kit, not the creator kit, because the creator kit comes with the mic also. This combo kit comes with the stand, everything that's in the creator kit but the mic, for $4.99, which is still a good deal. But let me put y'all on to something right quick. If you cannot buy if you want to purchase the Osmo Pocket, you don't have to have all the bells and whistles, to stand all that right away. But if you just want the Osmo Pocket, you know, the DJI, just the camera by itself first, if that's what you got to start off from, purchase it refurbished. This Canon camera that I'm talking to y'all on right now, I bought this camera refurbished. I didn't pay $600-700 like how I was supposed to. Guess how much I got this camera for? $300 and some odd dollars. It was like $330 something. About $350 after taxes. Listen, you gotta find the deals. I will purchase something refurbished and then put a insurance plan on it, and boom, you covered. You're covered. As long as you can put an insurance plan on it, you are covered, just like everybody else who bought those brand spanking new. So that's just a little tip for y'all. But let's get back to the y'all, I'm scared as hell. How you put it back in there? Okay. Y'all, I'm so freaking scared. Okay, what else? What's this? Okay, this is the Osmo mini tripod. Can y'all see? This the tripod. And I gotta see if cause I'm finna go on my walk for today, and I was like, I gotta turn the camera on because I want to open this Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm gonna do it with my YouTube fam. I was gonna do it with TikTok, but I was like, TikTok already seen me bought it. I got to share with YouTube too, like. And YouTube was my first love before we even got to a TikTok, but I still love TikTok too. I love short form content. Okay. This like the battery. Y'all, then later I gotta look up the settings. So the girl has got to teach me the settings. Like, what settings to put mine on. Like, okay, I guess that is the battery. Okay, that's how you take it off. Cause why you lighting up? What that mean? Your mom is insert your battery handle into the Osmo Pocket without holding the release button. Y'all, I'm so scared. Like, I don't even want to touch the darn thing. Like, baby, talk about scared. Your girl is. What is this? Okay. Do I need to leave this on till I know what I'm doing? You know what? Let me just trust God. Trust God. Trust God. Trust God. Okay. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I don't really think y'all understand. Your girl is excited. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Okay, y'all, so I finally got it on, but I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Look. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Y'all can't really see, but I can see me and I look so good. I can see me and I look so good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to play with this once we get back off our walk. So that's where we about to head. Talk to y'all when we get back outside, when we get outside to start this walk, okay? Yeah, I'll call y'all back. Make sure y'all answer the phone. All right, y'all, I am back. Your girl is looking hey, we outside, we outside, we outside. All right, so tonight we are trying, what's the name of the place we going to? Taranga. So we trying Taranga City. Yeah, the Taranga City, what is it, lounge and bar, whatever, I don't even know, restaurant, Taranga City. That's where we going at tonight, honey. It's Charlotte nights, Charlotte nights, Charlotte nights, Charlotte nights. So y'all, I'm feeling myself right now because I'm looking all cute and I'm sweating because it's hot up here on this third floor, 1 and 2. I'm sipping on a little something something right now. So it's hot up here. I just wanted to come in and check in and let y'all know what's the move change real quick around here. Let me see if I can give y'all a little something something of what I got on. So I just have on, I don't know what's going on in the background, just don't look at it. So right now I have on these cargos, this bodysuit right here with this little crossbody, and then I just paired my, what are these? My New Balance. I didn't want to do a red lip, I wanted to go neutral. So, and Nelly, I still see her ceiling fan. This is the problem. I still see her ceiling fan, and she's telling me to meet her at Outback or the QT, but I still see her ceiling fan. That's the thing. But I'm trying to get out the door now. I'm about to get I'm about to get in the car. So I guess I'll see y'all at the restaurant, in the car, somewhere. I don't know, because we about to lose our reservation. I know we done lost our reservation. It is 9:47 and our reservation is at 10 o'clock. So yeah, we probably missed our reservation. I don't know, but we outside. We outside tonight. Hey, we outside tonight. Yeah, so let me get my camera, my Red Bulls and everything, pack it in the car, and we outside. I didn't know this was the move, but once I called her and was like, this is what I'm trying to do, she was like, is we doing it? I was like, yes. I was at the liquor store on 2 wheels at 6:55, and here we are. So let me give me some cute little pics right quick, and then I'll see y'all in a minute. And last night was so fun. Let's cue the footage.
Daylight was doing bad, let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, can't shop for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see you a stack just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on me, in different area codes. He knew what's up. Everywhere I go, every time I pop, I call and they drop the low. Drop that fucking location. Cause I got hoes, just be on me, in different area.
Now that we have watched that, listen, Charlotte nights, Charlotte in 2025 right now, I just feel like this summer in Charlotte 2025 is about to be a movie. Like, I haven't had fun like that in a really long time. I really haven't been out like that. Like, I went out in January for one of my friend's birthday in Columbia, and that was the last time I went out. Before then, I think the last time I went out was last year in like August. So I probably go out maybe once, twice a year, maybe, before this. I don't really go out that much, and I don't really do clubs that much. Like, I like to go to a little lounge, you know, catch me a vibe, eat some food. That's what last night was supposed to be, but we just vibed out and let the road take us from bus, another club, no sleep. But you know what I'm saying? Like, we went from, as I told you, we went to Taranga City, which was a good, but they just opened, so they got to really get it together. Like, the reservations wasn't reservationing. We still standing at the door, like, waiting around, like, but we really wanted that food, so we waited around for like a good 30 minutes. But then I was like, you know what, at that point the liquor was kicking in. I was like, baby, I need more music, I need a vibe, like, let's go to the next place. So we went to Crew after that. Crew was I mean, you could sit, catch a vibe, get you a hookah, get a drink, you know, but I wanted a little more because, like I said, the liquor was talking. I wanted more, so I was like, we sat in Crew for like 20 minutes. Then I was like, boom, let's go somewhere else. We almost drove to Columbia to my home girl. I was like, okay, that's just doing too much tonight. And we both drinking, so nah, let's not do that. So then we went from Crew to Imperial, because I hit Sheldon up and I hit Bando Brit up off of TikTok. Like, you know, they always know the vibes in Charlotte. They know where the limit drops at. They know where the vibe is at. So I hit them up, and he was like, the girls is at Imperial. So I was like, okay, Nelly. He said the girls at Imperial. Let's go to Imperial. So we went to Imperial. Imperial was lit. Like how they always be. Imperial's always a vibe. So we went there, stayed there for a little minute, caught a vibe at Imperial. Then I was like, boom, still don't want to go home. Let's go somewhere else. So then after that, we went to Safari. I was like, Safari don't close at 4 in the morning. Now this ain't Safari don't close at 4 in the morning. Let's go catch a vibe with the Africans over there at Safari. So then we went to Safari, but then at 2 o'clock they stopped selling liquor. Baby, I don't need to be here, and the liquor ain't, y'all ain't giving no liquor out. I don't need to be here no more. So we stayed there for like an hour, and then it was like, okay, let's go home. We got home like 4:30 in the morning. I don't even remember. She said I ordered at Waffle House. I don't remember Waffle House. I don't remember none of that. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't even remember how I got in my bed. When I woke up, baby, I just knew I was home. So I have fun. But I'm about to go downstairs. I'm about to, let me grab this. So we're about to go downstairs. And I haven't eaten anything. My stomach is kind of rumbling. So I'm about to put, let's put this light on. I'm about to put some bacon in the oven, a hash brown in the air fryer, because I need to put something on my stomach. I got to feed this liquor a little more. I need to kind of clean up a little bit because my, in here is just, it's not where it's supposed to be. But I'm going to just take it easy. I'm not going to try to do too much. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Let me get this. I'm walking around. I'm supposed to be putting the bacon on the sheet. But y'all had to come check in with y'all, tell y'all about how last night went. And I'm about to fix something to eat and just chill out. Can y'all see me? I'm about to fix something to eat, chill out, and figure out if where I'm taking my kids at today. Today is, yesterday was so like sunny, and today is a little windy and stuff. So yes, sir. So I don't really know like what I want to do. Like if I want to take them today, I wanted to take them to the fair. The spring fair is here in Charlotte, and I wanted to take them to that, but their dad told me like Sunday, let's take them on Sunday. So it's another little fair in like the country part that my friend said she might take her son to. So I might, you know, go out there with her. I really don't know what we're doing yet today, so I'm just vibing out. It's slow morning after a long night, baby. Auntie don't bounce back like how she used to, so you know I got to take it easy. It's a little later on in the day, and me and the kids are about to meet my best friend at this little fair that they got in the like country part. I don't know, I never been down that way. I know Charlotte has the big fair, but we finna go to this little fair right quick. So yeah, that's what we finna do. Let me make sure I got everything, and I'll meet y'all when we get up the road a little bit, you know.